This is a HP Pavilion 15 series vintage, about 2019, and I am getting a message about bad battery, so I've ordered a new one and I'm going to replace it, and that's what this video is about. So you may have a different vintage of computer than I do, Pavilion even, but what you need to do is you need to peel off these rubber feet and expose. Well, actually, first thing you need to do is you need to look around your computer and see what kind of screws it may have. Now, I've already opened this up, and so therefore I know what exactly needs to happen, but essentially there are 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. And there are 3 screws here. And then after those are out, then you're going to have to pry this up very gently, just so you don't damage the soft aluminum that holds the structure together. I'm going to do that now. Don't be a bull in the china shop, so pry everything very gently, and then you lift this cover off right here. So this was the main reason why I took the cover off, was so I could verify the model number of the battery, which is right here. But you can also see there are screws here, so now I'm going to unscrew these so I can pull the battery out. Alright, now with the screws removed, I'm simply going to lift this up on the back end and pull it out. That's battery removal. I'm going to come over here with the new battery. And I'm going to place it back in the slot. Verify everything fits. And screw it back down. Okay, now that that's done, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to simply reverse everything. Oops, that's upside down. And I'm going to put the back cover on, snap it down, and the battery will be replaced. Okay, with the 6 screws replaced, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put the adhesive pads back down. And then the last thing I'm going to do is actually plug it in, make sure it's charged. And then finally, don't forget to dispose of your battery properly. So take it to your favorite techno junk recycler. That's what I'm going to do, along with other stuff. Let's make sure it works. And now that it's plugged in, we're going to turn it on. That's a good sign, the power's on. I don't know how long or whether the battery's been discharged or not, so we're going to let it stay plugged in here for a minute. Oh, there we go. Now we have a BIOS, so now we got to fix that. Press enter. And everything is charging. You can see by the icon right here. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. Make sure everything is good. Alright, everything is booted up now. You can see from the icon here that it's actually charging. If you want to go to the HP app, open that to do a battery test, but this has always taken quite a while to boot up. Alright, you can see from the HP icon or HP program that it says the battery still needs to be replaced. So we're going to run the app here to check it. Here you can see the results of the test, and you need to go into another app to calibrate that. So everything seems to be looking good with it. I'm going to say it's done, and there you go. There's changing your battery on your HP Pavilion laptop.